All right, if you're in technical sales, you know the grind, right? You're constantly trying to translate super complex tech specs into something that actually means something to your customer. Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you how generative AI can be your new secret weapon, helping you create better product docs, way sharper competitive analyses, and proposals that actually win, and do it all in a fraction of the time.
Now, before we jump in, just a quick heads up. Everything we're covering today comes straight from Chapter 3 of a really fantastic tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. We're going to stay focused exclusively on the insights from that chapter so we can do a real deep dive.
So, let's get right to the heart of it. What's the core of your job, really? You're a translator. One minute you're talking to a C-level exec, the next you're talking to an IT manager, and then maybe an industry specialist, and they all speak a completely different language. So how do you make sure your message hits home for every single one of them, without spending your entire life just rewriting documents? That's the exact challenge we're tackling today.
Okay, so here's what we've got on tap. First, we're going to really break down that core challenge. Then, we're going to unlock 3 super powerful AI toolkits, one for product docs, one for competitive analysis, and one for proposals. And to wrap it all up, we'll show you exactly how to put this into practice, like today.
All right, first up, let's really dig into this technical sales challenge. Your job isn't just about selling a product, is it? It's about being that crucial translator, that bridge between some seriously complex technology and what the business actually needs.
And this, right here, just nails it. The source material calls this the translation challenge. You know how it is. One minute you're all about ROI with a CEO, and the very next, you're deep in the weeds of API integration with an IT evaluator. This is exactly where generative AI becomes your superpower. It's basically a master translator that can reframe the same information for any audience you throw at it.
Okay, so let's get practical. First up, using AI for your product documentation. I want you to think of it as your personal assistant, one that's ready to spin up perfectly tailored summaries in just a flash.
And this is where things get really cool. This slide, it's basically your cheat sheet for writing a killer prompt. You can take a single, super detailed spec sheet, and just by making a few little tweaks to your prompt, you can get 3 totally different documents out of it. For that C-level exec, you tell it to focus on business value and ROI. For the IT evaluator, you go deep on the technical details. And for the specialist, you frame it all around their specific industry use case. It's the same core info, just perfectly tailored for maximum impact.
But here is the absolute key, and I really want you to hear this. It's a direct quote from the source material. AI gets you, say, 80 or 90% of the way there. It gives you an incredible first draft, but your expertise, that's what gets it over the finish line. You are the final check for accuracy, for nuance, and for making sure it actually sounds like it's coming from your company. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your replacement.
Okay, next up, let's talk about competitive analysis. And you know this can be a real minefield, right? You've got to highlight your strengths, but you can't sound biased or negative, because that is the fastest way to lose all credibility. So how do you hit that perfect balance? Well, with a little help from AI.
You know, the name of the game here is objectivity. You've got to stick to the facts and focus on what the prospect actually cares about. And get this, the do column even says you should acknowledge a competitor's strength here and there. That's a huge trust builder. When you just lay out the facts and avoid all that negative language, you let the prospect connect the dots themselves. And that is so much more powerful than you telling them what to think.
So, the million-dollar question, how do you get an AI to do this for you? Well, it is all about the prompt. This slide gives you the perfect recipe. First, you give the AI a role. Act as a neutral technical analyst. Then you give it a task and you define the specific criteria. And finally, you tell it the format and tone you're looking for. A prompt like this is your secret to getting a credible, effective comparison every single time. All right, now for the big one, the time sink, solution proposals. We all know how many hours these can eat up. But what if you could slash that drafting time and improve the quality of the proposal at the same time? Well, that's exactly what AI can do for you here. So check out this awesome 5-step workflow from the source material. It's a game changer. Step 1, you feed your meeting notes to the AI and have it pull out the clear requirements. Step 2, you have it generate descriptions for the solution architecture. 3, you draft the proposal section by section. 4, you use the AI again for a final polish. And then, step 5, you, the human expert, step in to do the crucial customization and final review. It's a beautiful process. And this is so important. I gotta say it again. AI accelerates the draft. But it's your expertise that guarantees the proposal is accurate, that it's actually feasible, and that it speaks directly to your customer's unique needs. You're the one that makes it perfect.
Okay, we've talked about the what and the why. Now it's time for the fun part, the how. Let's move from just talking about it to actually doing it and start building these skills right now.
And to help you get started, the source material gives us these fantastic hands-on exercises. So don't just, watch this and move on. Pick one of these and try it out. Today, take a spec sheet and have an AI rewrite it for a CIO. Create a comparison chart for your top 2 competitors. The more you do this, the faster you'll build your own personal library of killer prompts that are going to save you hours every single week.
So, what's the big takeaway here? AI is your new co-pilot. It's ready to handle the heavy lifting, the drafting, the translation, all the grunt work. That frees you up to focus on what you do best, building relationships, truly understanding your customers, and closing those deals. So the only question left is, what are you going to automate first?